back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you guys a Mexican chicken stew, or also called just like a Mexican style chicken gravy because it is served with rice. And we're gonna use this with some leftover salsa. So if you guys don't know what to do, if you have some salsa in the refrigerator, this is a good recipe for that. So I do have my pan on a medium-high heat. I am going to start off with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I do have a whole medium red bell pepper, half of a medium orange bell pepper, a little sliver of red onion, a tablespoon of minced garlic, and half a bundle of cilantro, and also a small habanero pepper. This is optional. So we're just gonna start off by sauteing our vegetables. We're gonna saute our vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes. It's been about 3 minutes. I have 2 chicken breasts. I did wash them in salt and vinegar for 15 minutes. Now we're just gonna add these to the pan. Toss with the veggies. Now we're going to add our seasonings. I do have a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of chicken bullion, a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a teaspoon of garlic salt, a tablespoon of tomato bouillon, and then a teaspoon of cumin. And we're just going to cook this together for another 3 minutes before we add our salsa. Now we're going to add our salsa. And we're also going to add half a cup of water. Now I'm going to add an habanero pepper. This is optional. Now we're just going to let this cook for 15 minutes on a medium-low heat. In about 15 minutes, our sauce is thickening up. At this mark, you want to taste and adjust the seasonings to your liking. For a deeper, richer red, I did add another tablespoon of chili powder. So now I'm just going to let this cook for another 15 minutes. Okay everyone, our chicken stew / chicken gravy is complete. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this content. And hit the bell notification down below so you can be notified for the next video. And for more tasty recipes, go ahead and hit the playlist at the end of the video.